guys, welcome back to another episode of and today we're gonna be cooking, and we're gonna be cooking because my dad wants me to prepare for college, and that future college that I'm gonna go to might not have a kitchen, so we're gonna be cooking without a stove and cooking with me, Ivana. So I'm cooking for my parents today, and we're gonna be making pork chop over rice with Japanese white sauce.
Mia time!
For ingredients, we have 8 ounces of mushroom, 4 ounces of carrot, 4 ounces of onion, 8 ounces of potato, 3/4 cup of milk, 3/4 cups of water, 1 box of cream stew sauce, 6 pieces of pork chop, and 3 cups of rice. Let's get cooking! We need mushrooms, light-sized mushrooms. Carrots, chopped up carrots. Onions, chopped up onions. Potatoes, bite-sized potatoes. Water and milk. Japanese white sauce. We're going to be cooking our meat in a sous vide bath. We're gonna fill this up with water, set it, and let it cook. Sous vide is a cooking technique by submerging food in a water bath with a vacuum-sealed bag, cooking it in a constant temperature. So by doing this, I would never have the problem of overcooking food. Let me know if you want a video in the future on preparing food for sous vide. We will use the Joule by ChefSteps. It is super easy to use with its phone app. All we have to do is set it up for the desired outcome by looking at a picture and wait for the water to heat up, and put the meat in the water bath and it will do the rest. If you don't have a sous vide cooker, you can just cook the pork chop in a regular pan with a little salt and pepper. Now we're gonna cook the rice. We have 4 cups of rice here, and we're gonna pour it into the inner of the pressure cooker. Now we're gonna wash our rice. Before we cook the rice, we would first have to wash it. Depends on what the ingredient calls for. How many times we rinse the rice may vary. For regular home meal, I usually rinse it 3 times. So we're basically washing off all the starch so it's less sticky. My parents always tell me that a farmer spent a lot of time growing rice, so every grain of its rice is very important. So whenever I wash them, I'm very careful not to waste any or accidentally pour any of them away. There should be a line indicating the water level of a cup of rice. In our case, we are cooking 4 cups of rice, so we will have to fill up the water to 4. First, we pour some oil into the pot. Now we pour some onions and carrots into the pot. Then we pour the potatoes. After that, we pour some mushrooms. Now we add the sauce mix. Lightly mix the ingredients around. Finally, we add 3 3/4 cups of water. Now we just set it and cook it for 20 minutes. Looks like our pork chops is done. So now we're going to transfer this to our baking pan. Smells good. Now we're going to finish our pork chop in the oven. Now we're going to set our oven for 450 degrees for 5 minutes. Now we're going to plate. Sauce. Wow, this looks really delicious. People, dinner's ready! I hope you like the recipe. To the newcomers, at the end of each video, we'll give it a rating of DIY or leave it to the pros. For this video, I'll give it a 1 because my favorite part, it was so easy and you only needed to chop the things and then put it into the tiny pot. What is your favorite dish? Be sure to comment down below. Let's discuss. Be sure to leave this a like and comment down below on what I should cook next. While you're at it, make sure to subscribe. Remember, you can definitely do everything yourself, but a professional will make your life a lot easier.
Time.